Okay, so anion cation lab, this is for unknown A4. So these are people whose first letter of their last name starts with S all the way to Z. So what we've got here are pairs of test tubes. The first test tube in each pair is going to be your known, and the second of each pair is going to be your unknown. So in each of these second ones, I have the compound that's in A4 in each one of them. So our known for this first one is going to be sodium chloride to see if there's chloride ions present. That way it'll give us a positive result. And then for sodium sulfate, and then I'm going to use bicarbonate for my bicarbonate anion, sodium bicarbonate, and sodium phosphate for my phosphate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a compound that I know will produce something with a chloride ion. In this case, it's going to be silver nitrate. I'm going to add it here and then add it to the unknown, and you're going to compare the two and see if you see a positive or negative result. So I'll add it here to your unknown. And see what you see. I'll even give them a little tap, little flick. See if you see anything there. I think we can move on. And we'll go do sulfate next, so I'll add some barium chloride to that solution and see what we get as a result, about a milliliter. I'll do the same to our unknown rather. Take a look at those two. And we'll come back at the precipitates at the end and let you see what they look like after they've sat for a little bit, if they are in fact the same. We'll put those back. Now we'll do the sodium bicarbonate and your unknown. So looking for the presence of the bicarbonate anion. You're going to be looking for production of carbon dioxide most likely. And your unknown. And the last one, we'll be testing for the presence of the phosphate ion. So you'll look at your known and see if we get that in our unknown as well. And we'll add it to our unknown. And 16. There we go. See, everything's happening there. On this particular test, sometimes it requires just a little bit of energy. We'll put this in a hot bath, or a warm bath rather, and see if we see any change in the results. So I'm going to take these two over here for a little warm water bath and let them sit for a minute or so. Remember, the known is the yellow one on your left, and the one on your right is your unknown.
Well, I think a minute has gone
Oh
by.
my gosh, okay, fine. Our patience with each other is getting tested. Okay, so I'm going to go place these back over here, and she can scroll through and show you what you think, which ones gave a positive test. You guys will be going and doing unknown B4 next. For you guys, letters S through Z in your last name. And we'll see you guys in the B.